Hey everyone, welcome to my channel on Boss Petty Blogger. So today I'm going to introduce Xbox Series S, the smallest, sleekest Xbox console ever. So without any देरी, let's get into the video. So इसकी मैं कुछ प्रोडक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन बताना चाहूँगी. इसकी रिलीज़ डेट है 10 नवंबर 2020. प्रोडक्ट डायमेंशंस हैं 36 क्रॉस 29.2 क्रॉस 12.8 सेंटीमीटर्स एंड 3.35 किलोग्राम्स. कस्टमर रिव्यूज़ इसके काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, 4.7 आउट ऑफ 5 स्टार्स. और कुछ एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन है इसके बारे में कि इसका मैन्युफैक्चरर है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, पैकर है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, इंपोर्टर है इसका रेडिंगटन इंडिया. आइटम का वेट मैं पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ, 3 kg 350 ग्राम. सो इट्स टाइम फॉर फीचर्स एंड डिटेल्स. सो दिस इज Xbox Series S, the smallest, sleekest Xbox console ever. एक्सपीरियंस करो स्पीड को और परफॉर्मेंस को ऑफ नेक्स्ट जेन ऑल डिजिटल कंसोल एट एन accessible price point. Go all digital and enjoy disc-free next-gen gaming with the smallest Xbox console ever made. इसमें आप एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे नेक्स्ट जेन स्पीड को और परफॉर्मेंस को with the Xbox Velocity architecture powered by a custom SSD and integrated software. You can play thousands of digital games from 4 generations of Xbox with backward compatibility, including optimized titles at launch. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate includes over 100 high-quality games, online multiplayer, and an EA Play membership for one low monthly price. So here you are going to experience the speed and performance of next-gen all-digital console at an accessible price point. Get started with an instant library of 100 plus high-quality games, including all new Xbox Game Studios titles like Halo Infinite the day they release. When you add Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, seamlessly move between multiple games in a flash with quick resume. At the heart of Series S is Xbox Velocity architecture, which pairs a custom SSD with integrated software for faster, streamlined gameplay with significantly reduced load times. So now I'm going to tell you the included components with Xbox Series S. an Xbox Series S console, controller, ultra high speed HDMI cable, and power cord are included. You can add standalone purchases of Xbox Game Pass and Seagate storage expansion card for Xbox Series S for the complete experience. And the generic name is gaming console.